Trying to get this shit ready. Clear this thing out a little bit. Cleared out all this over here, took down those branches. Cleared up this tree. And now we're going to clear all this and level this to all the way back there. So all these things had to come down. It's a lot of fucking work, man. And then we're just going to cut our line like that. Straight across the back. And then we're just going to put the green giants out and all the way that way. It's going to be good. Already looks 100 times better. You can actually see the space in between this pole. And all that's like little shit. I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, it's coming along. About halfway through. What time is it? 11 o'clock. 3 hours. This machine. Cleared all this out, cleared all that out, leveled out this. Just clearing that shit out of there because I ran into some shit over there, but I wasn't expecting all these trees under the dirt. So I go dump those. And then I just got to grade. Pretty much grade. I got to take a little bit out of there, a little bit out of there, a little bit out of there. And then just pretty much grade it out all the way down. And then that's gonna be it. Just gotta take a little bit out of here because we're gonna add soil. But another hour and a half. Should be done. It's looking sweet. Now that everything's gone, just gotta go pick up the trash. I still got all these vines in here, no matter how deep I went. Still all these vines, so I'm just leveling out the dirt, getting ready for topsoil, taking out all these vines. It's like no matter how deep I went, there were still just giant vines. Like this thing is super thick, it's like a rope. So yeah, all these ruts, because you can't get this shit level with the excavator. Anytime you turn, it just digs a hole because it's sand. So all these ruts and all those leftover vines and shit that's like sitting around and hanging out. Gotta take out all that crap and level out all this stuff by hand. It's gonna be a shitload of work because, I mean, it's fucking 6 inches. Fucking 6 inches. Yeah, it's gonna be a shitload of fucking work to do from over there to over there and then do all the way back there. So we gotta do all this, and all this, and level all this shit by hand with the little rake so we can get out all this kind of shit because it's everywhere. And now once we do that, you just throw something on the back of that tractor and level it out with some 2x4s or 4x4s or something. But it's 1,000 times better than it was because the whole bottom of this fucking shit looked like it was just like a carpet. Like all this was a whole layer over this, and then under this you got like all these. And I try to, and then you get shit like this. Like, what the hell is this fucking thing? But try to scrape it and chuck it over there as deep as I could, but I kind of still want some dirt here because I couldn't go any fucking deeper. It is what it is, man. Just fucking more backbreaking work added to the list. Started hand leveling this dirt with the little hand rake. But a bunch of these vines I gotta clip underneath and then pick out by hand because they're deep rooted. So, I mean, that took about an hour and a half. And I still gotta do this and back there and this and back there, but figure it should take another hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably another 10 hours of work. And then just walking around clipping out all the vines and shit. But it's coming along good at the front yard. This was like all fucking weeds, so I just killed it off. Had some fucking clover right there and just nuked that shit. But yeah, lawn's looking pretty good. I had a bunch of die off over here from a whole bunch of weeds. Just regrew all this grass. Got a bunch of bald spots I don't give a shit about. I just regrow grass in the spring and then overseed it. But grass looks great. This side yard, just as a view, and not seeing just a mountain there is fucking amazing. So everything coming along pretty good, man. Some more laborious back-breaking work. Gotta love it. Just getting this shit done. It's like day 4. Yeah, day 4 of this shit. Planted all these green giants 4 feet apart at the stem. So I put them everywhere. It's pretty much all that'll fill in. This will fill in. It'll come out to about the driveway. Go up this way. Already hand leveled all this up to this point. Just got that shit to do. I'm just gonna do to the other side of this tree tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm gonna finish hand leveling this, and then finish planting these green giants. I don't really give a shit about anything back there because this is just gonna be a giant wall of trees. And I know I didn't have to put those there in this staggered form because I'm putting them 4 feet apart. But as they're growing, once these two grow, I'll have that one in the middle. So when they're like 6 feet, 5 feet, I'll still have the shade blocking. I don't have to wait for these 2 front ones to fill in order to get the in order to get it to block the back. And then yeah, topsoil and grass, and then we're good to go. But yeah, these are all the roots that I'm pulling out and cutting that are still in this shit. Which that's why it's closer than it was, which is better because it's less maintenance. But I was originally going pretty much back where that one is. I was going along that line back there in line with that tree, and I was going to cut it behind that tree. But then I'm like, it's so much work. There's so much vines and shit back there, and that thing is like it's like a ball of some bullshit that I don't want to deal with. So I figured I'll just move it up. Once all these trees go out, I'll be like, sit probably right here, and that's a good enough space for grass. I got too much grass already. I already got this shit over here, and I still got my yard, and then I'm gonna have to do all this, and then this fucking whole strip right here. I'm like, it's too much goddamn grass. I fucking hate grass, but you know, it looks nice. But yeah, that's the green giants just going in the ground. I got really sandy soil, which fucking blows, so I really don't have anything for them to like feed on her. So this is all like, it's literally sand. So I want to give them some type of nutrients or something. Digging the hole, and then I'm putting 50-50 this. So this has nitrogen and shit in it. 50-50, half of that, half of that. Dig the hole down. Put a little nice layer in and around the roots. Rumple up the roots. Take all that bulk, because they just put fucking wood chips or something in there. Like there's no type of nutrients or anything, so. And hopefully these green giants take, because they say if you get them smaller, they're more likely to grow quickly. If there's, yeah, this is the shit it's It's like little pieces of mulch or something, like wood chips. That was all in the bottom of these pots. So, yeah, you can see, dug a nice hole deep, and I put like a thick layer of this shit on the bottom, thick layer of it around it, and then I layered it on the top. But yeah, they say if you get these things younger, they're more likely to root in quicker versus if they're bigger. So I figure these things are like, they're 1 gallon, so they were $10 each. I think I got like 26 or 25 of them, and I need to get another 25 for over there, probably maybe 30. But I figure by next year they should be at least 3 feet, and the following year they should be 6 feet, 5 feet. That's what I'm hoping. As long as in 2 years they're about 5 or 6 feet, and I don't have to look at that shit anymore in about 2 years. Because they were $10 for these little guys. And I was thinking about getting emerald green arborvitaes, because they had 4 foot tall or 5 foot tall ones that just stand straight up. And I'm like, 2.5 inch spacing. They're only $15 for the 4 foot ones. I was like, God damn, dude. I'm like, I got 25 of these for like $250. If I get 25 of those, it's gonna be like $600. And I don't really like them. I see them everywhere. They're all like dead and shit. So I don't know what the hell's going on with those. Like, they're all around here and they're all fucking dead. And they look like shit. So hopefully these don't look like shit as well. But keep you updated.